I'm going to give you an example of a steel manufacturing company that I've worked with a few years ago. The mind state at this time was that most of the delays were coming from the maintenance people, either electrical issues or mechanical issues. After looking thoroughly at the delays, we realized that 2/3 of the loss of production or loss of availability was caused by changing and recalibration of the machines or operational errors. So that really changed the mind of the managers of this company and focused more on different things than just maintenance related issues. And finally, there are many ways to build an action plan while doing a reliability assessment. Lots of pillars to look at. And in this reliability roadmap, we're going to look at some very important pillars like asset master data in your CMMS, your planning and scheduling process, your inventory management practices. Once you've established the gap between where you are today and where you want to be a few years from now it's easy to build your action plan. A very important step while building this action plan is to prioritize properly and include all your stakeholders with you. Make sure that they are aware of the priorities and they build them with you so that no one is surprised at the end of the day.